I am here with the third part of tense, that is future tense. In earlier videos we have already discussed present and past tense. Today we shall discuss future tense. Again, you know, future tense is of four parts: simple future or future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. Simple future is used to express actions in future, to express habitual action in future, and to express speakers' opinions or assumptions. Future continuous tense is used to express an action which will occur in usual course of time, or to express future without any intention. That will be progressive. Continuous tense is also known as progressive tense, so it will be progressive tense. Future perfect is used to indicate completed action in future. Here, future perfect continuous, again it is used to denote future events, but generally we do not use future perfect continuous in our day-to-day life. Here I am going to show you the structure. See the structure of simple future: subject plus shall or will plus be1. This one depends on the subject. So I shall meet you, they will arrive soon. So here be1 and is used, shall and will is used as per the subject. Future continuous: she will be staying here till Sunday. So yes, you can see this one. I will be meeting him tomorrow. These are two examples. Shall, so here in this tense, shall, will plus be and verb with ing form is followed. In future perfect, we use shall, will and have plus v3. Third form of the verb, that is past participle. So we have to write: he will have written a letter, they will have played cricket, you will have gone to the market. So in this way we can write future perfect. Future perfect continuous is used here: subject, shall, will, have, been, verb and ing form. It is also followed by since and for. Example: he will have been writing a letter, he will have been writing a letter, they will have been playing cricket, you will have been doing your best. So all these are the examples of future perfect continuous. That is, and one more thing that I would like to share from you people, that is, in the test, upcoming test, you will be provided sentences and 4 options. You have to select the correct option based on tense, and nothing you have to do in writing.